The C-pillar cover on a second generation Volvo XC60 is held in place only by a couple of metallic clips. However, to remove it, you also have to remove the surrounding trim pieces. So, let's begin. First, we can start the removal process by removing this plastic top cover. It's held in place by 4 metallic clips and you can easily remove it without any tools whatsoever. Next, move the seatbelt support bracket to the side to locate and remove the hidden bolt. After removing the bolt, move the seatbelt support bracket to the side to lift up and remove this plastic cover. As you can see, it's held in place by 3 metallic clips. Now it's time to remove the rear seat side cover. Simply push the plastic tab on top of it and detach it on the upper part. Then release the metallic clip on the side. And lift up the whole cover. Next, it's also necessary to remove the side plastic trim piece, which is held in place only by some metallic clips. Use some force and detach it from the pillar. And finally, it's time to remove the C-pillar cover itself, which is held in place by 2 metallic clips and by 2 hooks on the top. First, you have to detach it from the pillar by using some force and pulling it towards the interior. And after this, you have to slide it down. However, it's not gonna come out that easily, so you can try to wiggle it from side to side and also pull the upper part of the cover towards the interior to detach the plastic hooks on top of the trim. Last but not least, I also did some other videos about this car, so visit my channel and check them out.